Health Academy Phlebotomy Training Kit. This great product comes with all the equipment you'll need to practice taking blood. Setting up the product. You will need to inflate the balloon by injecting the vein. Now your model is set up, you're ready to start practicing. If you are completing a phlebotomy course, you'll be instructed on how to use the equipment in detail. You can practice many times. You can also practice palpating veins, applying dressings, and swabbing the model as you would if you were taking blood from a real person. The model can even be used to practice cannulation if you wish. To find out how to use the equipment to learn in detail how to take blood, visit our phlebotomy courses page where you can choose the right course for you. The kit can be bought individually or with a large discount when purchased alongside one of our phlebotomy courses. Enjoy practicing with this useful kit, and we hope to see you on one of our courses sometime soon.